Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial, and today's tutorial is based on how to deposit money on Coinbase. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to log in into your account. So once you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. Once you open up your application, tap on the trading view, which is right at the bottom. After you tap on it, next you can see in the top left corner of your screen there is a try bar icon. Tap on it. On the other side, under wallet balance, you have to tap on deposit, or you'll have to select on deposit. As you tap on deposit, next you'll have to tap on currency type. So then you'll have to select USD. So then you'll have to add the bank account that you want to transfer or that you want to deposit the money from. After you link your account, next you'll be redirected to coinbase.com in order to complete the bank account verification process. So once you're done verifying your account, next you'll be notified that the deposit has been confirmed. You can see there's a detail about the transaction. So that is how you can deposit money on Coinbase. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.